let's try a drink. This is a green juice that does not have no fruit in it. I'm scared. What did you say? I mean, it's not bad, but like if you're not used to like drinking juices like you, I don't think that you would like this. But it tastes like celery, parsley, and lemon is what I'm getting from this. I don't need to plug my nose. It's not that bad, but you definitely get the saltiness from the celery and parsley. I always say parsley tastes like airplane air. I don't know why. Like, you know how when you walk into an airplane, how it smells? Like, is it sterile? It's something about it's like carbon air or something. That's what parsley tastes like to me. And then you got, you know, the zing from the lemon. I don't taste the zucchini, which zucchini is such a mild flavor anyways. I don't really taste the spinach. But it's nice to have a juice because I haven't juiced in months. And you remember, that's how I used to start my videos off, as juicing, you know? That juicer probably haven't been touched in, shoot, 3 or 4 months, maybe more. And then Ari pulled it out to do her juice fast, and I was like, oh, I want to juice. So here we are. And I also got my lemon water. I drink that every morning to get the digestive system going. This is actually my second cup. I'm about to journal. I try to journal every morning, do like a gratitude journal mixed with the 5-minute journal method. I don't know if you've ever heard that before, but basically you write 3 things that you're grateful for. Hold on, my ring is spinning. My fingers are so tiny that, and I know you've seen this, I got that little ring spacer on there, and it didn't turn colors from all the stuff that I be doing in the kitchen. But I was supposed to get it sized down, but the way my knuckles are, if I was to get it sized down, I wouldn't be able to push it over my knuckles. So then I just got the little ring spacer, saver, fitter. I don't know what it's called. But anyways, back to what I was saying. How did I get on to, anyways, I write 3 things that I'm grateful for, 3 things that would make today great, 3 goals, an affirmation, and then in the evening time, I write 3 things that went well, and then 3 things that could have made it better or that I could have done better. And then on here also I have like my water intake and just like a little thing that says, how do I feel today? From like a scale from good to not good. And here's how it looks. And I just made this off of Canva, and you know, just mixed it with the 5-minute journal that it's a book about it, I think. And I really like that layout and that you don't have to write a lot, just 3 bullets, like get it done. And then just a few things I tweaked it, like my goals. I like to like pick my top 3 goals that I want to work on that day, whether they be small or big. So I am going to journal. What's today, Ari? 9th?
Yes.
Ooh. feel like I need some chopsticks, even though I don't know how to use them. I'm so excited for this meal. Let's take our probiotic first. I'm so excited. Whew. Oh, crap. Wrong top. They're going to probiotics. Yes. Have you had this water? Yeah, my favorite is the coconut. So good. Okay, we got a little bit of wasabi and gluten-free soy sauce. Do you be mixing or do you even eat wasabi? I mix it a little bit in my soy sauce. And then sometimes I just take a little dollop, just a little dollop, because wasabi is spicy, hot, like, you know, horseradish. Yeah, it gives you that zing, that heat too. Sometimes I like to put it in there like that, and then we just gonna go and dip. See, I was just gonna make regular sushi, but I went all in. Oh my God. Oh my God. Freaking amazing. I don't think I'm making dinner. I think I'm making another one of these. The wasabi? It's in my nose. No, it's in my ear. Okay. Woo. This is so freaking good. You know what would make this even better if you had the is it Japanese or Korean mayo? That would be really good. Mm.